The Namibia Statistics Agency recently met with the management of Kavango West region in Ngurenguru to explain the agency's role, responsibilities, and its national mandate. During the meeting, the agency explained how it collaborates with various ministries to collect accurate and reliable data across the country. Among the most significant contributors are the Ministries of Education and Health, as they serve large segments of population throughout their operational systems. In her keynote address, Kavango West Governor Verna Sinimbo said, "Statistics are key to development," adding that public servants rely heavily on data, so it is important to make data use part of their everyday work culture.
Without data, there is no development. In today's fast-evolving world, timely and reliable statistics are the compass guiding our policy making, resource allocation, and service delivery. Whether it is improving health care delivery, understanding education gaps, monitoring food security, or addressing youth unemployment, data is the engine that drives targeted and effective interventions. To our offices, ministries, and agencies working within Kavango West, I urge you to integrate data management into your operational culture. Let us not only consume data, but also be active contributors to Namibia's national statistical system.
In his presentation, the Namibia Statistics Agency's Executive for Data Quality Assurance and National Statistics System Coordination said the agency is responsible for collecting, sharing, and managing data. He stressed that all data producers must follow the correct procedures and standards.
The only thing that ties us to the National Planning Commission is that the Statistician General must advise, and I think that's where it comes in. He must advise the Minister of Statistics, it says, who is the DG of National Planning Commission in all matters of statistics. So in many cases, yes, it could be at the behest of the Statistician General, who then approach the DG to say, Honorable DG, these are the issues that we had or that we have that need attention. Yes, we've been involved in the planning of the National Development Plan. We're heavily involved in the NDP 5. We are heavily involved in NDP 6. It's because of that element of that, yes, we need to advise and to provide services to the National Planning Commission. But, you know, our mandate, our heavy mandate really ends at the data collection.
Kavango West Regional Council Chairperson Joseph Congo welcomed the presentation. However, he said regional leaders need access to data to help them plan better at the local level.
And that's why I always want statistics also to provide us with data when it comes to resource allocation by line ministries, because it will help us. Otherwise, some regions will still fall behind year in, year out.
Amid the statistic presentation, Skongo also raised concern about the shift in the ministerial accounting officials from permanent secretaries to executive officers. He believes this change has given individuals too much decision-making power, allowing them to allocate resources without sufficient consultations.
Executive means a guy who has power over the ministry to change the allocation from left and right, even without the authority of the minister, because he is an executive director to direct resources where he needs to allocate. Sometimes it might not be the correct way because he has that power.
On a similar note, Musese Constituency Councillor Cosmos Katura questioned the timing and accuracy of Namibia Statistics Agency's surveys, he said the intervals are irregular and often not reflecting what is happening on the ground.
When we talk about statistic, you mentioned different kind of statistic in comparison with the years when certain statistics have to be taken. But it's a surprise. Instead of biannual, 8 years. Instead of 5 years, 10 years. Instead of 5 years, 12 years. Why? Where are we going? We have to face the truth because we are all afraid to face the truth. We cannot comply with the truth because otherwise we'll be hate.
Victory Simon, MICT-Kavango West, Nkurenguru.